Angel here with Terry, Henricks Chrysler. Gonna take you on a quick walk around of this 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LTZ. This one does have running boards. It has rear park assist, tow package, tonneau cover. We'll get a close-up of one of the wheels. Go around and take a look at the inside. Back seats are in good shape. It does have a sunroof. Front seats are power adjustable. Got your four-wheel drive options, cruise control, audio controls, close to 145,000 miles on it, center stack, has heated and cooled front seats. If you would like more information on this vehicle, you can check out the links in the description below, or you can give us a call here at Terry Henricks Chrysler, 419-445-2576, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more.